Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. We are about to take off for school and it's foggy out. Look at the fog. I tried to get a picture of my car made in the mist style, it didn't work. Look at this nerd. Oh! Your driving's relatively good, dude.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I will. Alright, so Josh is out of the blast pipe. Oh my goodness, he's gonna get all of us in trouble for speeding. Alright, I'm done with school. Time to leave. Bye. Pulled the Talon up. Look at the state of this car. It's all types of messed up. Somehow it has more scratches than I remember. But it needs a washing. Look at that. Anyway, it's just been sitting out in the woods. Alright, I've been playing an English game and cleaning this, so I gotta find my wallet, move the car, and go gas it up so I can show it to this guy. This might be the last pull. I got no gas, but let's get one for the boys. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we ended up selling the car to the guy. It's good. I'll probably miss it, but I'm glad it's gone finally. And all that stuff. It's been for sale for a while. I think that's it for today's vlog. So from me to you, have a good night.